This guide will help you set up CS4 to manage high ping effectively. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it generally provides lower latency than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings by disabling background applications that consume bandwidth. Close any unnecessary programs and devices that may be using the internet while you play. Step 3. Choose the right server. Select a game server that is geographically closer to your location. This can significantly reduce your ping. Use the server browser to find the best options available. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag, especially if your hardware is not very powerful. Step 5. Use ping reduction tools. Consider using tools or software designed to reduce ping, such as a VPN or gaming optimizer. These can help improve your connection stability and reduce latency while playing. By following these steps, you can enhance your gaming experience in CS2 even with high ping. Enjoy your game.